Can you go up this side, Jordan? Go up this side. Climb up. Put your hands here. Hold here. Or here.
Jordan, do you like it? Yeah.
Put your foot down. Oh, okay. Well, works. Okay, can you sit on your bottom? Sit on your bottom right here.
Whee! Good job.
Go do it again.
Go do it again.
No, you gotta go around. Go up the other side.
Yay! You're a little monkey. Both feet down. Feet first. Put your feet. Good job. Good boy. Okay, go down. Yep, slide. Whee! Good job. Come here. Jordan, come here. Hey, buddy, do you like it?
Is it fun?
Jordan,
Do you like it?
Do you like it?